Hey friends, want to earn money online without any coding? Today I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that can help you make money easily. These tools don't require programming skills, and you can generate passive income right from your home. First up is Koala AI, a blogging assistant that helps you generate content without writing. You can run your blog and earn good money through affiliate marketing or ads. Next is Pictory AI, which automatically converts your text into videos. You can create YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels and earn money without facing the camera. Third is ChatGPT, which you can use for writing content, generating ideas, or providing customer support. Freelancers and entrepreneurs are making a lot of money using this tool. Fourth is Canva AI, which makes your social media posts, thumbnails, and designs smarter. You can offer design services to clients and earn money easily. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.